Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to handle a chargeback on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then navigate to selling section at the bottom side of your screen. And here you should see your current orders and some issues. As you can see, I have 0 orders, but I'm sure that you can handle a chargeback by listening to my instructions. So let's get to it. If a chargeback has been filed, you will definitely see a notification or a message under the order. Tap the order with the payment dispute, and there eBay will guide you through the chargeback process. Tap the button that says provide info, or it can be named as respond to dispute. I think it depends on the version of the eBay application you have right now. And to defend this case, you need to submit the documents like proof of delivery. So you need to provide tracking details of that order. Also, you need to submit order confirmation, communication with the buyer that you have really sent your order. And you can also provide, if you want to, some return policy screenshots, but that's not required. Once everything is uploaded, tap submit button to send your response to eBay. And eBay will work with the payment provider. So that means bank that your buyer has used, and eBay will notify you once a decision is made, and you will get the result in your messages once the case is closed. To view your messages, you need to tap this section notifications, and you can set filter selling. But I need to note that if you win, no money is withdrawn, but if the buyer wins, the amount may be taken from your balance. So keep in mind that. So yeah, that's basically how you can handle a chargeback on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.